In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the star mask fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is another required material for the Cosmic Being fighting style, and it comes from the exact same boss that you have to farm. So you need to farm the Cosmic Being boss, and of course, obviously, you need to have C2 unlocked in order to do this. Then go to Punch Island, because that is where the Cosmic Boss spawns. You cannot summon it, so if you're relying on its natural spawn, which happens every 30 minutes, that's what you're going to have to do. And obviously this happens after it is defeated. So the best method is just to wait at the spawn or server hop until you find active servers and then just farm the boss. Now he is very strong with about 500 trillion HP, so make sure that you do have a solid build to farm it consistently. But with drop boost, the chance is about 15%. Without them, it's closer to 7%, so expect multiple runs. That is it though. Just stay on the island, farm the boss every time it spawns, and keep stacking those star marks until, of course, you do have enough. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.